choose a puzzle first. You can see from the lady's happy face, this is an easy puzzle. And as you go through the book, they get progressively less happy. So we won't pick the easiest ones. Equally, we won't pick the really hard ones because we'll be here all evening. If a really long video of solving Sudoku is what you want, then comment down below. You might notice that I have some pen on my hands. Unfortunately, that goes with the territory of being a father to young children, so she still looks quite happy. There we go. That's a change of pace, isn't it? So I'm just going to move the microphone a little bit. Just to allow me a little more space to work. Okay, hopefully I'll be able to get through this whole puzzle without making any mistakes, because when I get one of these wrong, I am very upset, so it will ruin my whole weekend. So, if you don't know how to do these, which I'd be surprised, given that you've decided to watch an ASMR Sudoku solving video, the basic rules are that you can only have the numbers 1 through 9 in any of these rows, any of these rows, both vertically and then horizontally. You can only have the numbers 1 through 9 once in any of these 3 by 3 squares. And so, by knowing where some of the other numbers are, you're then able to work out what the remaining boxes must have. So, what I tend to do is I will tend to go through the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 consecutively to try and get any of the easy numbers, and then I will use other methods then to actually solve the puzzle. So I will do that first. So first of all, I will go through the numbers, the number 1, and see if there's any easy kind of stragglers to pick out. So number 1 here, and my handwriting is terrible, apologies. But and the reason that's there is because there's already a 1 in this row, there's a 1 in this row, and that's the only box left. So we know a 7 in one of these two here. There's a 7 in one of these two here. Where did I get to? So there's a 7 in one of these two, 7 in one of these two. 7 can't be down here. There's a 7 in one of these three. I think 7s, they should be quite easy compared to some of the other numbers because there's quite a few of them. But I don't have the talent. So no, one of these three is a 7. One of these two. Not down here. Not up there. Not across there, not over there. One of these two. Okay, so 7 can't be down here. And we know there's a 7 in the middle, so it's not there, not there. I mean, one of these two is a 7. That rules out the bottom row. We already know that these ones are ruled out, so this is a 7 here. We hope. Usually you get told if you made a mistake, you won't know until the end. So let's hope that doesn't happen. So we know that one of these two. Not there, not there, not there, not there. One of these two. 7. Okay. I'm going to try some 8s. We have 1, 2, 8s. Not here, not here. This is an 8. Okay. Not there. One of these three is an 8. We have an 8 here. There's also one of these 4. It's not there. It's not in those. One of those. Not there, not there. Okay, that's pretty much as far as we're going to get with 8. So let's try the 9s. So we have 1, 2, 3 9s. So it's not up here, it's not down here, so this is a 9. Not across here, it's not across here, so that's a 9. So we've got a couple more. Okay. It's one of these three, which blocks out that top row. Middle row is blocked. One of these two is a 9. Not there. Not down there. That whole row can't be 9s. But I think that's as far as we're going to get with those so far. So now, in terms of the progress we've made, we know that this box is going to be probably quite a quick one to fill out. We have 1, 2, 3. We're missing a 4. We're missing a 5. We're missing a 7. And we're missing an 8. 4, 5, 7, and 8. We don't have any of this row yet, so that's not helpful. There's not many other lines which are nearly filled out either. So for example, we've got 1, 2, 3. We need a 4 in this row. Can't be there. this, for example, this is a different method. So this row 7, 3, 9, 2, 4 hasn't got a 1 in. We need a number 1. There's already a 1 in this box of 9, so 1 can't be here or here. So this has to be a 1. And that then helps us fill out the rest of the 3 as well, because we know we need a 1, 2, 3, 4. We need a 5. We need a 6, and we need an 8. That can't be a 6. But we can't work out any of the other ones yet, so we'll move on, but we're making progress. 1, 2, 3, 4. We need a 5 down in this box. There's only one 5, so that doesn't help. We need a 6. Again, we've not made much progress with the 6s. We need a 7, can't be there. Okay, so a 7 can't be down here. One of these is a 7. That blocks off this one and this one. There's already a 7 here, so this is a 7. I say it so confidently, but maybe we'll get to the end and there'll be a glaring mistake. But 7, 7, 7. One of these 3 not there. One of these 2 is a 7. One of these 2 is a 7. I've just thought, so we know there's a 7 there. Can't be down here. One of these 2 is a 7. That blocks out this row. We know this row's blocked, so 7. Can't be there. Can't be there. That's a 7. We're making such good progress. 1, 2, 3, 4. We need a 5. Nope. And we need a 6. Nope. This box here, so 2, 1, 4. So this has to be a 4, I think, because a 4 can't be in here. There's no 4 in this box yet, so that has to be a 4. I feel like I'm making too much progress, and I must have made a mistake somewhere. 4 can't be across here, so this is a 4. What is the mistake we've made? Can't be up here, can't be up here, can't be there, that's a 4. 4 can't be there or there, so that's a 4. Let's see, is that all the 4s? Nope, so can't be across here, can't be here, can't be here, so that's a 4 there. I think that's all the 4s. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Good. So that's 4 done. So let's have a quick look. So this row, we need a 1. We need 2, 3, 4. We need a 5. And we need a 6. 6 can't be there, but it could be there. It could be there. So that doesn't help. Let's have a look. About this row here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Need a 5. Can't be there. So that or that is a 5. And then we need a 6. But I'm not sure where the 6 is yet. So let's see if there are any very easy rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. I need a 5 in this row. 5s are needed all across the place. 6, I need a 6. Oh, I got a bit scared then. So I need a 6 in this row across here. 1, 2, 3, 4. I need a 5 because I can't be there. But I don't have a 6, and there's a 6 in this box, so that means a 6 must be here. I'm really hoping I haven't made a mistake. That'll make me sad if I have. What else do we need across here? 1, 2, 3, 4. I need a 5, can't be there, so one of these 2 is a 5. I need a 7. Can't be there. And I need an 8, which can't be there. last two ones actually that we need. The rest of this box, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I need an 8, which could be in either, and I need a 9, which could be in either. Okay, frustrating. What about, maybe that's helped us here, because we've filled out one of, have we filled out one of these? I think we have. Still doesn't help us. Okay. So, let's just have a go at the 2's again. So 2 can't be there. It could be in one of these 2 again. We don't have many 2's actually. Can't be there. We already knew that. Can't be there. We already knew that. Doesn't help us. That's so annoying. Let's try 3's again. Can't be across here. So one of these 2 is 3. Yeah, we're really struggling because we don't have many in this box across here. So let's look at individual boxes for a little bit of little nose itch there. Let's look at some individual boxes. Okay, this row might have bear fruit. We need a 2. Can't be there, so one of these 2 is a 2, but we don't know where. We need a 1, 2, 3, 4. We need a 5, which could be there, but it could equally be in either of those. And we need an 8, which again could be there or could be in either of those. Okay. One of these 2 is an 8. One of these 2 isn't. One of these 2 is an 8. Let's have a look. 4, 8, 9, 4, 8. So we know that one of these 2 is a 9. We know that one of these 2 is a 9. Okay, I think we might have finally made some progress. So 9 can't be in here. It has to be one of these 2, which means that blocks off this one, that blocks off this one, so this is a 9.